Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abrar. Welcome to the channel Learn with Dr. Abrar. Today I am going to explain how to lock cells in Excel to protect your formulas and your data and only allow input where it's needed. We most of time we are working in a multicultural organizations. We have to share our files with our colleagues, with the different groups, with the different departments. So if you are sharing the sheet, but with you want to allow them to add it in some certain cells, and you want them not to touch your rest of the sheet, so that will be very difficult. That if you are sending them a open shield, and you will get back the same with the same formatting. So like if I can show you here, the sheet is protected in some cells. In some cells you can enter into the data. So like in this sheet, the sheet that I have make for this video, I want that this blue color should be editable. So if I'm sharing this sheet with my colleagues and someone's, so they can add it only into the blue cells, but the green cells should be protected one, and they cannot change those cells. So I have just protected these cells, so they can't edit, but they can edit only the blue ones. So how we can do that? Let's start. So first you have to do, let's suppose you want to protect some cells. Like I will protect these two cells. Right now these cells are editable, right? Any cells you can edit, you can delete, you can add more text as you want. But I want that these cells should be protected. So what I'll do, I'll just select those cells which I want to protect. Then I'll press control 1. Otherwise you can click here on view, and you can move from the view as well, or you can click on this arrow. So you will open the new dialog box will be open. Then directly go to the protection. So lock these cells, and the cells that you want to make it editable, that again you can just select and control 1. So just uncheck this box, and then okay. Now we can protect this sheet very simply. We can go to the format, and we can protect the sheet. Just put any password that you want, confirm the same password. Now you can see I made these cells editable, so anyone can edit, but these cells should be protected. So if I'll click to edit, again immediately the error will came that this is protected cell, you can't change in these cells. But if you'll click on the blue one which I made it editable, that is available to edit. So you and your colleagues and wherever you want to send the sheet, they can edit the cells, but rest of the sheet will be protected as we protected all the sheet. Now the next I will tell you that if you want to select a number of cells to make it available to edit, so no need to do it manually. So simply what you can do, first we need to unprotect the sheet. So we will unprotect the sheet. We'll put the password. The sheet is unprotected. Now what we can do, just click control F, like you are searching something, a text or any number or digits that we are searching. But we can search the format as well. Like in this you can click here on format. Now which format uh, we want to select. So quickly go to the fill. Which color we want to search? We want to search the blue color. Click OK. Now click on find all. Let me try again. Maybe I choose the wrong color. Maybe this one. Yeah. So just click find all. So you can see that all the cells has the same color. It's found here in the below box. Then just select uh, control A. So all the blue colors is highlighted. Now just close this dialog box. So you can see wherever I have a blue color, it's already selected. Now what we have to do, we have to make this unlock these cells because we want them to add it. So then control 1, because I want to remove this checkbox for the locked. For the merge cells we can't do it. For the merge cells we need to select it separately. These are the merge cells. Again I'll click control 1. So I'll remove this lock. That's done. So now again I will move back to the format, and I will protect this sheet. That's done. Now we will check either it's working or not. See, this is a green cell that's supposed to be protected. So if I'll click on delete, it cannot be deleted. If I'll click anywhere on the blue cell, that is editable. I can edit, I can remove, I can delete anything. Even if I want to write it here, I can write it here. So that's so simple that you can protect and you can log some certain cells where you want not to, that your colleagues and your groups and your different departments cannot change it. So that's all. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to the channel for more informative videos.